Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to split images for large prints using Canva. Large prints often look simple from the outside, but behind the scenes, size creates problems. Most home printers and many office printers can't print one giant poster in a single sheet. That's why image splitting matters. It divides one large design into multiple printable pages that you can assemble into one larger final print. Start by logging into your Canva account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create. Why start here? You need a design canvas first. The image splitter tool works from an existing design, so first you'll create or open a layout containing the image you want to print large. Use the search bar and type Poster. Then select any poster template. Why choose Poster? A poster format gives you larger canvas dimensions, print-oriented layout, better starting size than social media templates. Even if you replace the template later, it's a practical base. Once the poster canvas opens, place your image or edit the template however you want. Then go to the left-hand menu and click Apps. You'll use one of those utilities now. In the search bar, type Image Splitter, then select the Image Splitter result. What this tool does, it slices one full design into multiple printable sections. Instead of printing one impossibly large page, you print several smaller pages and combine them afterward. You may see terms, permissions, or agreements. Read them, then click Open. Why permissions appear? Some apps need permission to access your current design so they can process it. That's normal when using third-party or integrated Canva apps. Export your current design to the splitter. Click Export Design. Then click Export again if prompted. What this means, you're sending your current Canva poster into the splitting tool. The app needs the full image first before dividing it. Choose number of pages and columns. Now you'll choose how the image should be divided. Typical options include number of pages, number of columns, grid layout. How to think about this. More pages equals larger final print. If you split into more sheets, the assembled image becomes larger. More columns equals more horizontal pieces. Example, 2 columns equals image split left-right. 3 columns equals image split into 3 vertical sections. Click Split Image. Once your layout is selected, click Split Image. What happens next? The app processes your design and creates separate page tiles. Each tile is one section of the full image. Add images to new pages. When the result loads, click Add Images to New Pages. Why this step matters. This inserts each split section back into Canva as separate printable pages. Now each page becomes its own downloadable print sheet. Download the final result. Click Share in the top right corner. Then click Download. Choose your preferred format. PDF print, best for printing. PNG, high-quality image pages. JPEG, smaller file size. Best choice for printing. Use PDF print whenever possible. It usually preserves quality better for physical printing. To summarize, splitting images for large prints in Canva begins by logging into your account, clicking Create, and opening a poster template as the design base. After placing or preparing your image, you access the App section and search for the Image Splitter tool. Once opened and authorized, you export your current design into the tool, choose the number of pages and columns for the split layout, and generate the divided image sections. After processing, the tool adds each section to new Canva pages, which you can then download through the Share menu in a print-friendly format such as PDF print. This method is especially useful when printing oversized designs on standard printers. When planned correctly with high-resolution images and careful assembly, it provides an effective low-cost alternative to commercial large-format printing. And that's how to split images for large prints using Canva. Smart workaround, especially if you don't have access to a poster printer. Don't just think digital, think final output. A design is only finished when it works in the real world. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.